kubiriza abantu mwenna okugoberera amateeka ate mutwale ng'example oleme fallinga muki mu bizibu nga byendimu naye mbasuubiza buli kimu kijja kukola ki kijja kuba bulungi. English, madam.
Listen. The name of this program is Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where are the Yes, sir. You try to our seven roll work for Brian Kennedy and Mapulo Williams. And there are two charges against you. The first one is that one of offensive communication. And this is the section 25 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2021. These are the pictures of the place. It is a way that you to solve areas. This is my Lexus. Yes. Kawalia Isaac Asemurondo, alias Case, Coco Brian Kennedy, and Mapulo Williams. On the 27th day of August, this was 2021, that we used electronic communication at Sanika TV of the Lex Media Services Limited here in Kampala. That willfully and repeatedly that he made statements about Sona Emmanuel that in court said that he has no money, that his only assets are a few pairs of shoes, that he's among unemployed musicians, that he fails at everything. Maybe he's haunted by ancestral spirits because he practices sin. He is so much into witchcraft and he gets money from Hollywood. In brief, he's like that one of the jobless, educated person. That everyone knows that he has bad luck, that he practices witchcraft, that his shows cannot exceed 2,000. This was the report. At this statement, disturbed the peace, quiet, right of privacy of the said Emmanuel Sona Abu-Shakur. And the statements were made with no purpose of the document communication. That's the charge, the first charge against you. Have you understood that charge?
Yes, I did understand the charge.
How do you plead?
Not guilty.
The plea of not guilty entered for count one.
The second charge is that one of criminal libel. And this is contrary to section 179 and 180 of the Penal Code Act. These are the particulars of the offense. It is alleged that you just were Ibrahim, alias Isma Rexas, Kawalia Isaac Asemurondo, alias Case, Wako Brian Kennedy, and Mapulo Williams, that on the 27th day of August 2021, that while at Sajuka Television, this is Next Media Services Limited, here in Kampala District, that you unlawfully published a defamatory matter to wit city courts. He has no money. Muranga Sona is among the unlucky people. Muranga Sona is among the unlucky musicians. He fails at everything. Maybe he is haunted by ancestral spirits. If he is haunted by ancestral spirits, maybe because he practices selling. He's so much witchcraft, So what Mania has to do is to empty those silly tricks. Those are musicians who are chopping money from old women. In brief, it is like that of a jobless, educated person. They produce kids because the woman he is with and her kids are adults. Everyone knows that you have bad luck. It is not Suna alone. There are many musicians who are surviving by the power of woman. That's why you will see him converting to Islam today. The other day, it is a witchcraft. Let him ask for consent from his wife and impregnate her. You cannot get such courses because they pay only 2,000 Ghana shillings or 3,000 Ghana shillings for Suna's shows. Those words are impossible. Concerning Suna, Emmanuel Abdul Shakur, with the intent to expose him to hatred, contempt, or likely to damage his profession or his reputation. That is the second charge against him. Have you understood that charge?
Yes.
I will agree.
Not guilty.
Certainly of not being entered for count two.
Your worship, for portrait of 500%. Your worship, everyone is represented by council instead of open handed and council of Ibrahim from the Silicon Company. Your worship, inquiries in this case are still ongoing. We look for continuation.
Your Worship, for the record once again, my name is Muhammad Nsereko, counsel for the accused, appearing alongside Mr. Kasiko, Counsel Kasiko Ibrahim. I take cognizance of the plea and the jurisdiction of this honorable court, and your worship, if you may be pleased, would like to go ahead and apply for bail for our client. Your worship, it is true that these charges have been brought against our client in this honorable court, though it is unfair for the state to come and claim that inquiries are still ongoing. It is against Article 28(3) of the Constitution.
Excuse me. I will fix the bail application for tomorrow for the trial magistrate. Who is in personal contact of this file. That will be tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the 5th of October.
Most obliged, your worship. In lieu, does that mean, your worship, that my client shall be produced tomorrow?
Your client will be produced tomorrow and is remanded up to tomorrow for bail application and further mention of the case.
Most obliged, Your Honor. We take that in good faith.
Jajja kati embeera eri etya?
Embeera yange nnungi nnyo, ndi mugoberezi w'amateeka, sigayinako buzibu. I love the police officers. Nebaza nnyo Honorable Mohamed Nsereko okujja nanyimirirawo, ate nga tubadde tetulya nnyo kambugu, naye namukolako vidiyo y'emu. Kubiriza abantu mwenna okugoberera amateeka ate muntwale ng'example. Oleme foolinga mu bizibu nga byendimu. Naye mbasuubiza buli kimu kijja kukola ki? Kijja kuba bulungi era nga we mulidde omulamuzi siri guilty nga ngenda kujjeja tubyongerezeeko.
Bino ebintu by'amateeka wabiyigira wanga nkulabye oli senior nnyo.
Era amateeka nga manyi ntera okuba kumpi n'Honorable Mohamed Nsereko mbakubuulira by'abakola, so njagala obbakubiriza okustopinga era natandika blog association mbakyuse mentality tuve mu bintu omuntu okuwa 5 okuma omuntu biki si birungi naye we twabijjawo ne tuorganizinga tusuubira nti awo kati twafunyemu obuzibu naye tugenda kyandolinga mulangira Ssuuna ajja kuddamu mulabe ekitegeera naye nga siri guilty. Njagala okutwala omukisa guno gwennyini okwebaza court, okwebaza ababloga bange mwonna bannamawulire bakasuku mwebale kujja kubeerawo. Nze ndi law abiding citizen era mpulira bulungi bandimandinze mpaka banamproducing enkya. That's how country moves. Ebale nnyo Honorable Mohamed Nsereko once again okumbeererawo mu very hard times. Era omuntu akujjayo mu kkomera yabeera omuntu akoze eki asinze. Abavubuka mwenna mukyuke tudde mu digital marketing kuba bali abaagala ebyokuvuma batuteeke mu buzibu nabo weebali kati we tubeera organized tuba tujjawo business naye nga kati mujje bukoto ku kibiina kyaffe kigenda kuddukanyizibwa bulungi tulina leadership newe mbasiriiwo. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala.
Kati oluva wano dda wase.
Ndiwe dono musibe.